In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Canva presentation to Google Slides. This is really useful if you love designing in Canva, but your school, company, or team prefers working in Google Slides. By the end, you'll be able to start in Canva and finish, present, or collaborate in Google Slides without rebuilding your slides from scratch. Let's start inside your Canva presentation. With your design open, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the Share button. Go ahead and click on Share. This is where Canva hides all the options for exporting and sharing your work. When the Share menu opens, you'll see several choices. Here, you want to look for the Download option and click on Download. This tells Canva that you want to save a copy of your presentation to your computer rather than just sharing a link. A new panel will appear with different download settings. One of the most important parts here is the file type. Click on the drop-down or button that says File Type. By default, Canva might suggest PDF, PNG, or MP4, depending on your design. But for Google Slides, we need a specific format. From the list of file types, look for the one labeled PPTX. This is the standard PowerPoint format that Google Slides can open and convert. Click on PPTX to select it. You don't need to change any of the other options unless you want to adjust which pages you're exporting. But for most presentations, leaving the defaults is perfectly fine. Once PPTX is selected, click on the Download button. Canva will prepare your file, which can take a few seconds or longer if your presentation has a lot of slides or images. When it's done, the PPTX file will be saved to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. Now it's time to move over to Google Slides. Open your browser, go to Google Slides, and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. On the main Google Slides home screen, click on Blank Presentation. This step opens a new slides file, and from here you'll be able to import your Canva file. With the blank presentation open, follow the on-screen prompts to import your PPTX file. Typically, you'll use the File menu and choose the option to open or import a PowerPoint file, then select the PPTX you just downloaded from Canva. Google Slides will convert it, and once that's done, your Canva presentation will be ready to edit and present directly in Google Slides.